Hello, welcome everybody to 8th devlog of our series. Today I have kind of finished item picking up. These are randomized. They are getting picked up, there is a notification, they are getting stacked up as well. And I play a little bit of item equipment. It still doesn't look that good, but it is at least something. I started attack animation to grind resources for some stone and wood. But it's not finished today. I guess I'll finish it tomorrow. It's a little bit of missing. Except that there's banana that is unable to pick up right now. And I am planning to add some user interface to items, like when I am too close it should say to pick up, and there's a little line in its borders and things like that. And after that it's going to be item crafting time, or maybe I'll wait for the UI until the simple basics of finished, like basics of enemies and building as well. Then I can manage some AI. This inventory absolutely needs rework as well. For now it does the job, and that's important. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.